A, A, A. Okay, they are undergoing self-pollination. So, S, you will get like this. Okay, these many offsprings are formed. Okay, I will write it here. Okay, A, 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 capital letter A, small letter A, small letter A, small letter A. Okay, so these many offsprings are being formed. Okay, children? Yes. So, here one is homozygous. One is homozygous dominant. Another one is homozygous recessive. Two are heterozygous dominant. Heterozygous zygous dominant. Okay, this is homozygous dominant. This is homozygous recessive. Now can we write the genotype and phenotype for this? Yes. So genotype and phenotype. Genotype is all characters you have to write. Okay, children. So 1:2:1. Okay. 1 homodominant, 2 heterozygous dominant, 1 homorecessive. Phenotype, how you will write? What you are observing. So all dominant characters you have to write. So 3 dominant character is to 1 recessive character. Phenotype and genotype you have written. This is how case 1. Now we will see case 2. Case 2 is tall plant and dwarf plant. Okay, tall plant and dwarf plant. So he crossed. Tall plant we denote it as dominant T, dwarf plant it is recessive T. Now T, 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 T you are crossing. Okay, now listen. Capital T, small t. Sorry, capital T, small t, small t. Now we are crossing it. How we will cross in this direction? So on crossing we will be writing capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t, capital T, small t. So here you will be writing the offspring formed is capital T, small t. This is the F1 generation. How this F1 generation is formed? By cross pollination. Okay, children, this is the method of writing. Okay, cross pollination. Now, formation of F2 generation you have to write S. So how F2 generation is formed? So it is undergoing self pollination. This and this, okay, is undergoing self pollination. So here they will undergo self fertilization. Okay, next step is self fertilization. First is cross pollination or fertilization. Next is self fertilization. Okay, so how they will undergo self fertilization? Now same way you write like this and see. Okay, input net square you write and see. So you will be getting the answer. T, 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 then T, 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 T. So you got dominant like this, then like this, and yes. Okay, so from this what can you understand? You got 2 heterozygous dominant, 1 homozygous dominant, 1 homozygous recessive. 1 homozygous dominant, then 2 heterozygous dominant, then 1 homozygous recessive. Now can we write, see children, this is F2 generation. Okay, just like F1, this was F1, right? Same way this is F2 generation. This is F2 generation. F2 generation we got by self fertilization, F1 generation by cross pollination or cross fertilization. Now we have to write the genotype and phenotype. So genotype and phenotype of this. So genotype is 1:2:1, phenotype is 3:1, same way only. Okay, now see the next sum. Okay, third case what he took is, he took 1 round seeded plant and 1 wrinkled seeded plant. Okay, now in this he did this same process. So both in this round seed is dominant character, another one is recessive character. Okay children, yes. So now on crossing he got, normally, okay, should I draw this? If you have doubt you just listen to this. Okay, same way he did. So R, small letter r, Okay, on crossing he got R, 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 R. Okay, so R, R, only one F1 generation we are taking. Okay, this is what? Heterozygous dominant. Now this will undergo self fertilization. First is it undergone cross fertilization. Now it is undergoing self fertilization to form the F2 generation. So how it is undergoing, you just check it. R and small letter R, it is undergoing self fertilization with R and small letter R. Now see this. Okay, see this table. Yeah. So R, small letter R, R, small letter R, 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 and small letter R, small letter R. So R, 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 small letter R, R, R. Okay. So these are the F2 generations. So from this, what can you understand? 2, it is heterozygous dominant. Okay. 1 is homozygous dominant. Sorry, recessive. Okay. Another one is homozygous dominant. Now can we write the phenotype, children? Yes. Phenotype and genotype. Okay. So phenotype, it is 3:1. Genotype is 1:2:1. Okay. That's it about Griham Johann Mendel's pea plant experiment. This is only about monohybrid cross. That is, he used only one character. Okay, one character of pea plant, and he did cross and he found out. Okay, children. So if you have any doubts based on this topic, you can please ask it in your comments, children. I hope you like this video a lot, and thank you so much.